there is a set of new plugins included in the latest UGENE package. Let's start with the DNA assembly tool. It is available from the Tools menu. The module allows to align multiple short sequences, called short reads, to the reference sequence. The feature becomes useful when it comes to aligning sequencing results, while having the reference homologically related sequence. So, we open this sequence as the reference 1, and this FASTA file containing a set of sequences as short reads. We will set the assembly method to UGENE Genome Aligner. Pressing Start Assembly now leads to creating the new multiple sequence alignment containing the reference sequence at the first position and the aligned short reads at the positions below. It is possible to save the created alignment into a new file. We can now open the alignment file in a text editor. It is saved in the short reads FASTA format, which contains offsets qualifiers for the short reads. Let's get back to the alignment to see another new interface feature in UGENE 1.7. As we can see, there are zoom buttons on the toolbar for alignment editor now. We can zoom the alignment out, zoom in, and zoom to selection. Yet another fresh module is the Weight Matrix plugin. It's intended to solve the problem of sequence annotating. The general use case is to search for transcription factor binding sites. To invoke the plugin, we open a sequence, for example, this FASTA format sequence. And then right-click and select Analyze, Search TBFS with matrices. The plugin's interface is similar to Sitecon interface. In the Open dialog box, we specify the matrix describing interesting transcription factor to search for in the opened sequence, and the standard search parameters such as search region and strand. The new UGENE package contains local copies of JASPAR and Unipro databases. It is possible to select JASPAR matrix with the special dialog box describing all the presented matrix parameters. Also, we can choose a matrix by pressing Browse. And if needed, we can create our own weight matrix by pressing Build New Matrix. Let's select some JASPAR matrix and run the search. The task is finished, and all the search results are represented at the table below. Search results can be saved as annotations, which would contain matrix properties if JASPAR or Unipro matrix was used. We will consider this plugin in details in the next UGENE podcast episode. The last new plugin in the current UGENE 1.7 release is Query Remote Database. It allows to search for information about opened sequence paths in remote databases. To invoke the plugin, we open the desired sequence. Right-click at the view and select Analyze, Query Remote Database. In the Open dialog box, we can specify the database to search in and read its description, and set the expect value parameter, which stands for statistical significance of the search results. The less its value is, the more homologically related results will be found. The results themselves are represented as annotations and can apply to multiple sequence paths. This means that the number of resulting annotations can exceed the number of found sequences. The number of found sequences itself will not exceed the max hits parameter value. Other parameters will be the topic for future episodes. For now, let's perform the remote search for our nucleic sequence in the BLAST10 database. the search is done, and we can browse the annotations with the found information. The final addition to the latest UGENE version 1.7 in today's episode is the support for GFF format. Now it is possible to open annotations from and to save them to a GFF format file in UGENE. For example, let's save the found annotations into a new GFF file by right-clicking on the Annotations table file item and selecting Save a Copy. In the Appear dialog box, we select the GFF format and specify the resulting file. Now it is possible to activate another opened sequence and to drag the Annotations table to its view. We can see the annotations being opened. That's all for today. We hope you will enjoy the brand new UGENE version 1.7, and thank you for watching.